నీటి సమస్యలపై తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల తీరు మీద కేంద్ర జలశక్తి మంత్రి షెకావత్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
So this board will be given the term of references, or if we are asked to constitute a new board that will only look after the allocation of water between both the states. From the quota of allocation which was made for the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh.
The state governments are not handovering the projects to the boards. What will happen next?
See, there is a constitutional provision, and the makers of our constitution have provision for all of these unfortunate situations if this happens in the country.
So any deadline will be given to states to hand over the projects, or for that matter,
we have requested.
To provide infrastructure?
See what I have already we have given the a date to the states to provide us the infrastructure, the manpower, and to empower the boards with the seed money and all. They have not done yet, but some of the projects have been offered to the board, and it is a process which can go smoothly. See, of these type of projects or these type of situations, you cannot fix up a cut-off date and this is the date. After that, it will happen. We want to do everything with a smooth road, and we wish to make these boards functional and empower with both these boards with a consensus between both the states.
So you said that just a month before the SC has given this direction, and thereafter you just got the role. Your role has begun now. How soon, the next course of action will be in place?
So before this judgment was given by the Apex Court to withdraw the application which was filed by state of Telangana, we have initiated our process. So we are working proactively, but unfortunately, jurisdiction was not notified. So they were not properly functional. They were the teethless organizations. I requested in that very same meeting which I have mentioned to all of you, and initiated the process which both the chief ministers have agreed upon, and after a long discussion with both the governments, we have notified the jurisdiction of both the boards. And now suddenly Honorable Chief Minister KCR Saab, he comments like this, that this is a big drama. A person sitting on a responsible chair and heading a state, heading a government in the federal structure, the decision which was notified, the boards which were notified, or decision which was implemented, which was decided by both the houses of parliament, and this notification was issued after due consultation and agreement of the states. How it can be marked as a drama? I think this is a lethal attack on democratic system and constitutional system framework of our country. Both the states, I request both the states to fulfill the obligations as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, to make both the boards effective, so that the issues between both the states regarding over withdrawal or irrational withdrawal of the waters of both the river basins, and smooth functioning without any hurdles and confusions between both the states could happen. The main requirements as per the notifications are handing over of the projects and control of the projects to the boards. The second thing is DPR of the unapproved projects are to be submitted with the Central Water Commission through the boards for the appraisal and sanctions. Seed money, as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, is to be deposited, and provision of human resources and other establishment like office and infrastructure is to be provided to the board, so that both the board starts functioning smoothly and these type of unfortunate situations. I also wanted to.
As per your gazette notification.
Terms and references should be finalized by the ministry or the law ministry.
So terms of references naturally are going to be decided by our ministry. Law has nothing to do with that.
The both state governments are criticizing the central government regarding one important issue, sir. So the ministry is asking the detailed projects reports to on every project. But whatever they submitted on the different projects DPRs, but the ministry is not giving the approvals. Again and again they are asking the clarifications and questions, and they are putting a.
Come to me sometime individually, Mr. My friend. I'll
Not
show
myself,
you.
sir, but both state governments
Let me complete, Mitra. I'll show you the documents which they have sent in the name of DPRs. Meagerly sending by some papers relating to any project. Can they be called as DPR? I just don't want to go into this detail
Not
and
in
create
format,
controversy. They have to be in the proper format which they ought to come.
Sir, Andhra government asking for Polavaram revised.
So this is not the subject today.
And one more.
We'll discuss some more
one more
other time.
important question. Last time when you are issued the gazette notification, the Andhra Pradesh government regarding that Veligonda project, the political representative also came to Delhi and they are represented to you to
So
include the Veligonda project in the gazette notification.
I have
the ministry
clarified.
is considering that proposal or not?
I have clarified this from various platforms that this confusion arises because of the misspelling of that project during the notification. So for correction of the spelling, it is for that we need to go to the parliament for correction. But in that particular name, which was mentioned in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, there is no project which exists on the earth. So this is the correct name. In notification, notifying this jurisdiction, we have corrected the spelling, nothing else. And still we are making, the people are making confusion into that. I just don't understand how it comes. And other way also, since that project, when it was listed, if I consider that project was also an approved project. And this project, this time when with corrected its spelling, we have kept it into another list of unapproved projects. So how does it make any effect or impact into this for the state? I just don't understand why this type of politics is going on.
Sir, you are saying KCR playing a drama.
I have not shown.
No, he is political. You said
I have
drama.
not now.
Drama.
He is.
Yeah.
I have never used the political drama word even. I just don't wish to do, and expect. I just don't wish to, and I don't even expect the word saying anything which is happening under a rules or procedures or the constitutional framework, call as a drama. I just don't use this type of words.
Okay, why this sudden, this KCR, why he is doing the allegation against to him and central government? Why you are...
सारी चीज मैं ही समझाऊंगा, कुछ चीज तो उनसे भी समझ लेना. Thank you.